We have three people who need new bikes. Let's help them. This is Bruce Lee. He lives in Asia. He wants to learn riding so he can get girls, but he is as broke as a corporate employee on a month end. Bruce needs a bike that's affordable, reliable, and easy to handle. But with so many options, where does he start? Then he finds it. The Honda CB300R, a bike that perfectly balances style, performance, and affordability. With its neo-sports cafe styling, the CB300R stands out, but it's more than just looks. What makes this bike a perfect bike for Bruce? The CB300R is a budget-friendly bike. Its 286cc single-cylinder engine delivers 30.9 horsepower, powerful yet manageable for a new rider. As Bruce takes the CB300R for a test ride, he appreciates its lightweight frame. Weighing just 143 kilograms, it's nimble and easy to handle, perfect for the city traffic. The CB300R is packed with features that enhance Bruce's ride. The full LCD display keeps him informed at a glance. ABS with IMU provides controlled stops, crucial for a beginner like Bruce. The advanced suspension offers a smooth ride, boosting his comfort and confidence. This is Jimmy. Jimmy lives in North America. He works for Mr. Beast company and he needs a bike to go to office, and he is an enthusiast also.
Oh my god, this Kawasaki Ninja 400 looks so nice!
With its aggressive styling and sleek design, the Ninja 400 stands out, but it's more than just looks. Let's dive into what makes this bike ideal for Jimmy. The Ninja 400 is a budget-friendly bike that offers a 399cc parallel twin engine that delivers an impressive 49 horsepower. Plenty of power for Jimmy's need and speed, yet manageable for a beginner. As Jimmy takes the Ninja 400 for a test ride, he feels the thrill and its responsive engine and lightweight frame. Weighing just 168 kilograms, it's incredibly agile, perfect for city commutes and weekend rides. The Ninja 400 is packed with features that makes Jimmy's ride safe and exhilarating. The clear LCD display keeps him informed at a glance. Equipped with ABS, the Ninja 400 provides controlled stops, crucial for a beginner like Jimmy. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride, enhancing his confidence on the road. Beyond its performance, the Ninja 400 is a head-turner. Its aerodynamic design, sharp lines, and striking colors make a bold statement. For Jimmy, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 is more than just a motorcycle. It's the start of his thrilling journey into the world of riding. Powerful, stylish, and fun. It's perfect companion for his new adventure. This is Neymar. He lives in South America. He wants a bike that he will use to make wheelie bike tricks and thirst trap videos. He should get the Kawasaki KLR 650 because that bike is perfectly balanced with durability, performance, and versatility. The KLR 650 is built for adventure, but it's also a beast for tricks. Let's dive into what makes this bike ideal for Neymar. With a 652cc single-cylinder engine, the KLR 650 delivers 40 horsepower and 51 nanometers of torque. Plenty of power for pulling off impressive stunts. As Neymar takes the KLR 650 for a test ride, he feels the thrill of its responsive engine and sturdy frame. Weighing 196 kilograms, it's perfectly balanced for stability during tricks on chicks. The KLR 650 is packed with features that makes Neymar's stunts easier and safer. The long travel suspension absorbs shocks, while the dual-purpose tires provide excellent grip on various terrains. The wide handlebars offer better control, crucial for maintaining balance during the wheelies and other bike tricks. With KLR 650, Neymar's trick videos reach a new level of excitement. Its durability and performance ensure he can push his limits and keep his followers entertained. For Neymar, the Kawasaki KLR 650 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a partner in creating thrill content. Powerful, versatile, and reliable, it's the perfect choice for his videos. The goal is to get myself a new bike, so show some love. Thank you for watching and ride safe.